My final project is on Chinese to English translation. I'd like to further explore the application of sequence-to-sequence model to machine translation, particularly between two very different languages. Here I choose Chinese and English, not just because I use them both, but also I feel they're quite different enough to be interesting. One particular challenge about Chinese language is that it does not come with natural word segments. As part of the preprocessing, I used a package called Jabber to segment Chinese characters into words. It's similar to tokenization but more complicated. To build a proper word vocabulary, I looked into the word frequencies and removed words with small frequencies. I also looked into the distribution of sentence length and found that the length 50 covers well for majority of both Chinese and English sentences. My model was built on top of the sequence-to-sequence model with attention, the same one as we used in assignment 11, but with significant refactorings. To experiment with different models, I considered four network structures, which are vanilla, then two-layer GRU, and bidirectional GRU, and finally two bidirectional GRUs. I ran these models on a small dataset and with a pretty powerful machine, and it still took really long time to complete. However, the result I see so far is not impressive. Lessons learned, Chinese to English translation is really hard, and it took enormous calculation resources. And for anything that could be of practical use, it has to be trained on a much larger dataset.